Olygee BunnyPal is a product that has gained attention due to its cute design and promises of an interactive pet-like experience. However, upon receiving the product, many buyers have reported mixed feelings. The toy looks visually appealing, but its functionality doesn't seem to match the expectations set by advertisements. Some users feel that it is just a plush toy with limited or no interactive features, making it quite different from what they initially expected. The material quality is decent, but the overall experience depends on whether the buyer was expecting a robotic companion or just a simple stuffed bunny. While some customers are happy with it as a regular plush toy, others feel that the marketing made it seem much more advanced. Additionally, the return process might not be straightforward for all buyers, so it's important to check the store's policies before purchasing. Overall, Olygee BunnyPal is not necessarily a scam, but it may not fully live up to the hype, making it essential for potential buyers to set realistic expectations.